Hi student, this is Sokumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 5 continuation of exercise 5.4. Now problem number 8. If p minus q is small compared to either p or q, then show that nth root of p by q is approximately equal to n plus 1 into p plus n minus 1 into q the whole divided by n minus 1 into p plus n plus 1 into q, and hence find 8th root of 15 by 16. I consider LHS, that is nth root of p divided by q, that is equal to p divided by q. Nth root means 1 by n in the power. Since p minus q is small, so definitely p minus q must be in the numerator. For that we have to do some modification here for getting the term p minus q. Now multiply 2 and divide by 2. So multiply and divide by 2, the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, so you will be getting 2p divided by 2q, 2p divided by 2q whole power 1 by n. Then 2p you can write p plus p, 2q you can write q plus q whole power 1 by n. The next step, p plus p write as it is, then add q and subtract q in the numerator. Sorry, this is p plus p in the numerator, then add q, subtract q, the value will not be changed. Like that, in the denominator q plus q as it is, add p and subtract p, p minus p in the denominator whole power 1 by n as it is. Now grouping p plus q and p minus q, p plus q, q minus p, grouping. So p plus q write as it is, p plus q, then here p minus q together, p minus q plus p minus q whole divided by p plus q as it is, p plus q, and here we have q minus p you can write minus of p minus q, minus of p minus q. If you multiply minus into minus plus q, minus p, q minus p. So once again q minus p and minus of p minus q are same. Now whole power 1 by n. Now multiply the numerator and denominator by, divide the numerator and denominator by p plus q. Divide the numerator and denominator by p plus q. Each and every term should be divided by p plus q. We will be getting p plus q plus p minus q whole divided by p plus q divided by, like that, p plus q minus of p minus q divided by p plus q whole power 1 by n, that is equal to, it can be separated as p plus q by p plus q plus p minus q divided by p plus q whole divided by p plus q divided by p plus q minus p minus q divided by p plus q whole power 1 by n. Here p plus q both get cancelled, here also get cancelled. So 1, here 1, here 1. That is equal to 1 plus p minus q divided by p plus q whole power 1 by n divided by 1 minus p minus q divided by p plus q whole power 1 by n. The 1 by n is common for numerator as well as the denominator. So this is of the form 1 plus x power n. This is of the form 1 minus x power n. We know that 1 plus x power n that is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus etc. And 1 minus x power n that is equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus etc. For proving this result, it is enough to take first two terms. Okay, here because this is xp minus q divided by p plus q, that is x, this is n. So here I write x that is equal to, compare these two, x that is equal to p minus q divided by p plus q. Here also x that is equal to p minus q divided by p plus q, p minus q divided by p plus q, and n should be replaced by, instead of n we have 1 by n should be replaced by 1 by n equals. Now 1 plus nx, 1 plus nx, n that is equal to 1 by n, and x that is equal to p minus q divided by p plus q whole divided by 1 minus nx. You have to apply this formula, 1 minus nx, n that is equal to 1 by n into x that is equal to p minus q divided by p plus q. So other terms are neglected because negligibly small, because p minus q is a small one. The next term here p minus q divided by p plus q whole squared. So next term p minus q by p plus q whole cube, it is going on. So other terms can be neglected because p minus q is small. I write the reason also. Other terms are neglected as p minus q is small. Okay. Now here 1 plus, here I can take the LCM. So n into p plus q, that is a LCM. So I have to multiply these two, n into p plus q, n into p plus q plus 1 into p minus q, right as it is, divided by n into p plus q. Whole divided by denominator also n into p plus q LCM. So have to multiply 1 into n into p plus q, that is n into p plus q minus 1 into p minus q, this is 1 by n. 1 into p minus q, that is p minus q, minus of p minus q divided by n into p plus q. Here n into p plus q get cancelled, n p plus q cancelled. That is equal to n into p np plus n into q nq plus p minus q divided by np plus nq minus p plus q. Okay, minus into p minus p, minus into minus plus q, that is equal to, now take P as common between these two, here Q as common, like that. Here P common, here Q common. If we take P as common, we will be getting n plus 1 into P. So n plus 1 into P. Here you can take Q as common. If you take Q as common, you will be getting n minus 1 into Q divided by, here if you take P as common, you will be getting n minus 1 into P. If you take Q as common, you will be getting n plus 1 into Q. That is in RHS. Hence proved. Look at that RHS. Okay. Since we have neglected some terms here, as P minus Q is small, you write here approximately. Because look at the symbol here, approximately is given. Now from this result you have to find out the 8th root of 15 by 16. So what is in the left hand side here? Nth root of P by Q. Therefore 8th root of 15 by 16 equals, you have to compare these two, n that is equal to 8, P that is equal to 15, Q that is equal to 16. Can substitute here, n that is equal to 8, 8 plus 1 into P, P that is equal to 15, n minus 1 that is 8 minus 1 into Q, Q that is equal to 16 divided by n minus 1, 8 minus 1 into P that is 15 plus n plus 1, 8 plus 1 into Q, Q that is equal to 16 equals 8 plus 1 that is equal to 9, 9 into 15, 8 minus 1 7 into 16 divided by 8 minus 1 7 into 15, 8 plus 1 9 into 16 equals 9 into 15 equals 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9 plus 4 13 plus 7 6 are 42, balance 4, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 11 divided by 7 into 15, 5 7s are 35, balance 3 105 plus 9 6 are 54, balance 5, 9 1s are 9 plus 5 14, 144. Now I have to add, we will be getting 7 4 2 divided by 9 4 2, 247 divided by 249. That is the value of 8th root of 15 by 16. Even you can write the answer in decimal. For that you have to divide 247 and 249. 247 divided by 249. I do the calculation now. So I have got, I have done the calculation here, 0.99196. Here also I have to put approximately only, because here the final result is approximately only. Here approximately, or you can write the answer in decimal. What's the answer? 0.99196 approximately. That's all. Problem number 8 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 9 in the next video. Thank you, children.